Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to swatch and review Swiss Beauty's lip cream. So I have wanted to do this video for really very long time, but circumstances was not in my favor because I have functions, celebrations, as well as I catch cold. So that's why I'm doing this video really very quick. And okay, let me tell you something about this lip cream. This lip cream retails online for 140 rupees, but if you add extra charges, additional charges, as well as COD taxes, then it will cost you around 215 rupees. But I have also brought this one lipstick from Municipal Market, Ahmedabad. So that cost me around 250 to 300 rupees. So online it's a bargain, and I will link the website link in down below in description box, so you can check that out. As well as this lipstick is really very nice. It doesn't transfer, it is transfer proof, but it is not smudge proof, so it will last long on your lips, and it doesn't completely dry your lips. That's why I like this lipsticks. So let's get started on the swatches. So the first shade that I am wearing is called Peach 09. That's what it looks on my hand. It is nice, vibrant. It is not nice actually. It is vibrant peachy tone color. That's what it looks on, and how it looks on my skin. Also, let me tell you, I am in shade 228 in Maybelline's Fit Me foundation. Second shade is Paris Fashion 20, and that's what Paris Fashion looks on my lips. On my hand. So it is a nude peach tone color, which is certainly is not suitable for all skin tones, as well as not on mine. This shade is called Natural Tone 03. If you have darker skin tone than me, then it might not suit you, but if you have skin tone close to mine or same as mine, then it will suit you perfectly as nude tone. So that's what Natural Tone looks on me. And last color that I have brought is called Salmon 04. It is nice orange tone red to it. That's what it's swatch on my hands. That's how it looks on my lips. A perfect red tone, which is transfer proof, as well as it will stay on your lips a long time. So it is a perfect red tone for warmer skin tone. So that's it guys for today's video. I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Give it a like and please subscribe to my channel. See you guys on my next video.